Keep your outboard running strong with the male fuel connector OEM 3B2-70260-1 from ICE Marine. Designed for Tohatsu and Nissan outboards from 5 horsepower to 90 horsepower, this connector ensures a secure, leak-free fuel line connection with quick attach and release for easy maintenance and transport. Built to OEM specifications, it fits a 5/16-inch fuel hose and supports both two-stroke engines and selected TLDI models, delivering smooth fuel flow and reliable engine performance. Made from corrosion-resistant marine-grade materials, it's engineered to withstand fuel pressure and harsh marine environments. Replace worn connectors and restore safe, efficient fuel delivery with trusted quality from ICE Marine. Visit iceboatparts.com, email seller@icemarine.cc, WhatsApp +8 869 6646 8632.